In this video, I'll demonstrate how to change users' voice settings in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to configure outbound calling and call answering rules. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center at admin.teams.microsoft.com. Then select Users, followed by Manage Users. This grid shows a list of active users in your organization. Next, select the user you want to manage. In this case, Adele Vance. Below the tiles at the top of the page, select Voice to see the user's voice settings. First, you can configure outbound calling. The default is any destination, but you can choose in the same country or region as the organizer to restrict users to domestic calling, or don't allow to prevent outbound calling altogether. Second, you can configure call answering rules. The default is to ring the user's devices. And you can choose a second action, like simultaneously ring a user, simultaneously ring a number, call delegation, or group call pickup. Additionally, you have the option to select what happens if the user doesn't answer after the specified period. Those include voicemail, forward to a person, forward to a number, group call pickup, and call delegation. When you're finished configuring the user's voice settings, select Save to save your work. The user will now experience these new outbound calling and call answering rules. To learn more about using the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to change users' voice settings, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.